The AI search revolution is here. And now we can land clients and get very well paid to boost their Google listing with multimodal content. Over the past year, Google has quietly rolled out multimodal search. In addition, Gloria, as you said, people are searching directly more and more from ChatGPT, Gemini, and hybrid search engines like Perplexity. Here's the deal. Businesses without multimodal content on their GBP listings are going to cease to be found. And those who actually understand this and those who actually get this in-depth content on their GBP listings, they're going to take over. So what is multimodal content that mixes images, videos, audios with text to create more engaging experiences? White Spark revealed that Google is now analyzing photos and factoring them into rankings, and now images play a huge role, and Google's vision can, quote unquote, see and understand photos better than ever. But that's true for ChatGPT. That's true for Gemini. That's true for Perplexity too. So text-based content alone is not going to cut it. And I should say superficial content is not going to cut it. Local businesses need this multimodal content. Gloria, you alluded to 3 steps. This is so easy. And it, again...
Yeah, I can't believe how easy it is, yeah.
Again, I keep saying blue ocean opportunity. It is a freaking blue ocean opportunity. I mean, it's literally, you could just Google plumbers near me, and every doggone one of them is going to need to have their content multimodalized, because none of them are going to have this. It is so easy. We give ChatGPT our client's Google listing and use our prompts and have it analyze it. ChatGPT reviews, you can do this if you have the right prompts, reviews all the content, tells us what needs fixing and how to fix it. We use AI to fix it, and then all you got to do is just post it back to the client's GBP listing. And if you want to post it elsewhere, that would be even better. If you want to post this to social media, that's better. You might be wondering, well, Lee, okay, I get you, man. We need better content, but exactly what are you talking about? Text, we've all seen this. Fluff, reviews, 2-sentence dealies that don't explain anything. We've all seen fluff, I call it superficial content on websites, on GBP listings, et cetera, on social media, et cetera, et cetera. That ain't going to cut it. That's not going to cut it, because what Google and all of these AI platforms are looking for is what we call EEAT content. EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. And guys, this is not something that you can fake, but it is something that if you have a plumbing company that's been in business for 10 years, if you have a vet who's really authoritative, who's been in business for 20 years, in other words, most businesses are actually quite good at what they do, or else they would be out of business. They're not good at communicating that. And that's where we come in. And the communication of that needs to be EEAT, multi-modalized. This is the kind of content that's favored in search results by Google, by the AI platforms, because this is the content that proves that that vet knows a lot about senior dogs, that proves that that plumber knows a lot about can get over to your house fast, reputable, knows a lot about water heaters, blah blah blah. But it's not just text-based content, guys. Okay, it's images, crappy images turned into what we call multimodalized images, multimodalized images with text on them, because all of these AIs,
Google can see.
There you go. All of these AIs, Google Vision, Gemini 2.0, ChatGPT, all of these things can see the freaking image. So you can get more information on the image, and you can make the image look a lot better with call-outs, lower thirds, and other text-based additions to the images. Well, let's do some more stuff with, here. Here we have the crappy, fluffy, thing that we might have got off their
like a description or
Google
something
listing,
like
a
that.
description,
Yeah.
description of the business. Crappy, fluffy. Anybody could have written it. Probably, anybody did write it. Okay, and we're taking that and we're turning it into this really in-depth content that shows that business has experience, expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. Take that same content, turn it into an audio. Somebody on the call was just talking about audios. Yeah, audios. That is extremely important. You can take, you can take this content, put it back on the GBP listing. You can take it, you can put it on social media, you can house it on SoundCloud, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And of course, we're going to take this content and turn it into short form videos. Now we have AIs that can just crank these things out, make them look exciting, make them look authoritative. The results. Clients love seeing their new multimodal content on all of these platforms. You can help businesses win with the new search and build an incredible income doing this. It's a blue ocean opportunity. You can get in early. You can basically sell this to literally any business you talk to. They're going to need this. So we came up with a new training product, of course. It's called GBP Multi-Modal. We have made this incredibly simple. You don't need a lot of tech skills. Finding clients, it's literally like shooting fish in a barrel. Everybody needs this. Plus, with this product here, we start you out with 10,000 vetted leads. You can do this business part-time. It is a super easy sale. Help businesses dominate AI search and get paid for it. We give you everything you need to hit the ground running, step-by-step training course, profit strategy. We tell you what to sell, obviously, and we tell you how to sell it. All the AI tools, all the prompts. I alluded to audios, I alluded to videos. You don't have to figure anything out. You just look at the training video and you too will know how to do it. Plus, use Gloria's cheat sheets, use her prompts, her prompt package. It is literally cut and paste to do this. Client content collection systems, because you are going to have to go to your client's GBP listing and look at the content. So let's organize that. How to transform the content into multimodal assets. GBP optimization techniques for generative search. Master how to optimize GBPs for Google's EEAT and AI-driven search preferences, how to deliver the content, how to upsell, all the handouts, resources. Again, and if you want to get the bump, Gloria set you up with a CRM based on Airtable. This is just like all of our stuff, incredibly deep, incredibly authoritative, incredibly simple, and easy to do. So that's that. But everybody wants to, and fairly, I understand, know about the upsells. There are only two. Velocity Pack. Okay, there are only two upsells. One is what we call our Velocity Pack, your done for you agency, our complete hit the ground running client getting system. High converting email outreach templates, ready to use social media outreach posts, professional multimodal service brochure, 3 fully designed landing pages, lead magnet report. Literally all you have to do is hand your potential client the report. That will explain everything and take the burden off of you. Follow-up sequence, fast track implementation guides, pricing, getting clients faster prospecting playbook. It's all here. Design guide. This is an enormous package designed to pour jet fuel on the fire.
Faster.
One more thing. Go faster. One more thing. GBP Multimodal Recurring Profit Mastery. It's exactly what the name says. You'll have everything you need to turn one-time clients into long-term payers. Using AI-powered automation, effortless content creation, done-for-you templates. Again, everything you need. You can read through this whole thing. The gist here is we're going to turn the client into a monthly payer. Yes, we tell you exactly how to charge, how much to charge, how to set it up, how to communicate with the client, how to upsell from the one-off to this. Notebook LM training, because Notebook LM, somebody was asking me about podcasts. Notebook LM has an amazing ability, and some of you have heard Gloria and me talk about that before, to create podcasts out of text. AI-driven monthly content plans. Nothing is left to chance. We tell you exactly how to sell it, what to sell it for, and how to do it, how to fulfill. You don't have to think. Professionally designed ebook report, the new search revolution. Again, this is all here. Recurring revenue strategies done for your marketing assets. You can read all. So thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate your being here. And we're looking forward to helping you with those.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you soon.